Hi, this is Mr. Max with Sankofa Mathematics. So I am doing a question that was asked by some of my students. So I hope that this is also going to be helping others who have a problem with a similar question here. So we have got a question that contains us to draw a tree diagram for independent events. In this particular case, with replacement, that means you take the thing out and then you replace it back. All right, so the question here says a rack contains 4 10 ohms resistors, 5 20 ohms resistors, 6 30 ohms resistors. So two resistors are taken out at random from the box, one at a time with replacement, taking out, putting it back. Find the probability that the sum of the resistances is 20 ohms, 50 ohms, 80 ohms. So basically, this is an example here. You know what this is, just the unit of resistance of a resistor. So this is the product that we are sort of talking about. So our tree diagram will really just be very simple. So the first event, so you have got your 4 over 15, that 15 comes from 4, plus 5 plus 6, which gives you 15. Remember, if you add here, you should get to 1. That's 4 over 15 plus 5 over 15 plus 6 over 15 should give you 1. Okay, so then the second event, so you can take note that everything stays the same. The denominator doesn't change because it's not like you are taking the thing out and not replacing. So basically, this is just the duplication of everything that you have. The first event and then the second event. All right, so the sum of 20, now for you to get 20, you gotta take the 4 over 15 here, then you multiply it with that 4 over 15 because this 10 ohms plus that 10 ohms is gonna give you 20. So that's all that you gotta do. You just say 4 over 15 times 4 over 15, which gives you 16 over 225, okay? And also, when you have to find the sum of the resistances and it's 50, now you have to look at the combination where you can get 50. Is either you start with the 20 here and that 30 ohms there. So that's 5 over 15 times 6 over 15. Remember, when you go along the branches here, you multiply, all right? And you're going to add, because we're going to also have another combination here, which is this 30 here plus this 20 here. That is also going to give us a 60. I mean a 50 there. So rather than when you have this 5 over 15 here times 6 over 15 plus 6 over 15 times 4 over 15, then you get your final answer is 4 over 15. Right, so part C there is just a little bit there, I don't know, maybe to confuse you a bit or to see if you can see that there is no way, there's no combination here that you can add and get 80. So that one is going to be impossible to solve. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be putting out quite a lot of videos later today. By late this evening, I'm going to post paper 4 that was written by the grade 12s this week 2020. So you can, if you are grade 11, you can use that paper when I put it up, and then you can go through it because you do similar content. Grade 10 learners can also benefit from them, and then learners who are going to repeat grade 12 maybe through one or other type of institution.